Today we take a look at the Dlyfull 4 slots battery charger. So we got our instruction manual, got our charging cable, so this is USB-A to USB-C, and that will plug into the back. Now you can see these are fairly long base. That's because this is designed for 18650s, which are fairly long batteries. I do like that they actually have an extra range in here, just in case you get a slightly off-spec 18650. The other thing I really like, we got our little display here, but it actually tells us what each line is. That's something you usually don't get on a charger. It's kind of nice that they put that on here. On the back we got some venting. It actually says it's compatible with quite a bit of different batteries, so 18650 is just one of them. It can handle 1.2 volt nickel cadmium, and can handle 3.6 or 3.7 volts lithium ions. That is what the 18650 is. So this is going to output 4.2 volts. It'll do 2 amps in slot 4. That looks like if you do 4 batteries at a time, it's going to do half an amp per battery. That was neat. Okay, so it actually has a little self-test on there so that we know that each of the lights are working. Okay, and we can see that this battery is at 3 bars, so it's about 75%. It is charging all the way up. So I'm going to give that a little bit of time, and we'll see how that works. So we are charged all the way up. Let's go ahead and confirm, make sure that works. And we have got power. So while I'm at it, go ahead and charge up a couple more. Yeah, that is pretty sweet. So it feels pretty well made. Like, this feels like a fairly solid brick. I like the adaptability. And more importantly, I got a charger that could actually handle 4 18650s at once. So that is a very nice charger.